Welcome. If you've ever wanted to delete multiple comments you've made on Instagram carousels using the app on your PC, the new update makes it so much easier. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can quickly clean up your past comments without any confusion. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice the More icon, represented by 3 small dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. From the menu that appears, click on the option called Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a history of everything you've done, including the posts you've liked, the stories you've viewed, and of course, the comments you've left. Within this space, look for the section labeled Interactions. Inside Interactions, there's a specific area called Comments. Click on it, and this will bring up all the comments you've made, including those on carousel posts. Now here's where the update really makes things simple. At the top of this section, you'll see an option called Select. Give that a click. This will turn your comments list into a selectable mode, where you can mark multiple comments at once instead of deleting them one by one. Scroll through the list if you need to, and choose the comments you no longer want to keep. Just click on each comment you'd like to remove, and you'll see them highlighted as selected. Once you've chosen all the comments you want to delete, tap on the delete option that appears. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your choice. Just confirm, and instantly, all the selected comments are permanently removed. And that's it. With these steps, you can quickly delete multiple comments from Instagram carousels on PC, saving you time and keeping your account exactly how you want it.